Hello and welcome back to another video. This weekend I'm at CMP in South Carolina with Gridlife. This is my second time here at this track. Came here last year for this event, but this year I'm about to fit. If you notice, the fit has a new livery. Tried to spice it up just a little bit so it doesn't look like all the other silver fits. In Sundae Cup. Should be a pretty steep competition, so yeah, hopefully I can edge my way up towards the front of the pack. Paddock with Jackie and Brandon and some of the other PhD guys. Okay, it's lunch break. I've done 2 practice sessions. So far, not great. Car's held together, but the car's having a lot of going over some of these, I guess, the more slower corners. The car's like bogging. It's not really a misfire. Not sure how to explain it. kind of busy morning because when I'm not driving, I've been kind of helping with these guys do crew chief duties with Jackie. The M2 and the 86, which is Nomi Hill, it's over there somewhere. It's the first event for that car, the 86, first qualifying lap. So hopefully the car stays together because it was built like, finished building like 2 days ago. Beautiful weather.
It's quite nice.
Smoking?
That's a little bit. Good. Chin strap tight.
Yes.
Excellent. Head fly.
Ready?
You guys doing some wheel-to-wheel action out there? Hell yeah. Sunday Cup bump drafting shenanigans. Alright, 1 second.
Okay, I am done for the weekend. It is Sunday. I don't do a ton of vlogging because that's the one thing about a lot of the Gridlife festivals. There's so much going on. A lot of people just, there's always something going on. If there's like time attack, there's GOTC, there's drifting, there's Rush series, there's concerts, there's a bunch of friends. So just a lot going on. Big party. No time to vlog. So just having a good time. Also, the car didn't do great at all. Like, I couldn't get the car to stop bouncing around the slower corners. Like fast sweepers and high speed stuff, the car's fine. But the very last corner, it's kind of hard to explain. It's not exactly bouncing. It's like it feels like it's missing, but it's not a engine thing. It feels like the car's rotating around the corner, and it scrubs so much speed. So I lose a lot of time there, and I lose a lot of time at the 4, 5, 6 complex. Lose a lot of time there. So I'm just far behind the pack. I think I'm second to last, so lame. But I did have a ton of fun doing the grip drift sessions. Essentially, I just picked up passenger at the hot pits and take it for like 2 laps. Come in, pick up somebody else, take them back out. I lost count how many people I've picked up and did laps. I just kept on doing, kept on going, keep picking more people, just having fun. The track is like super slick, so the car's just sliding around, which makes it more fun. Unfortunately, there wasn't as many drift cars out there as I was hoped, because it's always fun to get behind a drift car and chase them around in the smoke, and makes the passenger have a better time instead of going super slow in a fit. But I'm gonna pack up and drive home, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.